Good afternoon po, friends. This is Rom Kumagun, and with me is a very special group of people. Si Art de la Cruz, si Cecil de la Cruz, and Esa de la Cruz. These people I've met since high school. High school pa kami magkakasama. Maliliit pa sila. Si Art is the younger brother of my batchmate sa Marist. And we are here in their cafe. It's called Chubby Chef Cafe, and they are here and we are here pala to take a taste ng kanilang meals dito, and also for us to share what is in Chubby Chef Cafe. Ayan. Siguro I should begin with kanino kaya? Siguro sa inspiration mismo ng Chubby Chef. Chubby Chef. Ayan, si Esa. Esa, siguro ang first question ko is, bakit Chubby Chef itong cafe?
Yung mga sister ko, yung tinatawag nila akong Chubby, ganyan. So, before kasi, it's Sally's Kitchen. Before, nung nasa Lilac pa kami, nag-umpisa kami sa isang garage. Then, small garage lang siya, without aircon. Ayan. Open kitchen din. Before, yun nga, Sally's Kitchen siya. And then, nung lumipat na kami, nag-isip kami ng ibang pangalan na mas tatatak sa utak ng mga tao. So, yun, napili nila yung Chubby Chef.
Ayun. Cecil, would you like to add sa explanation ni inspiration?
Kasi she's the one who's cooking. So, lagi namin siya nilaloko. Chubby naman si chef eh. So, doon na-coin yung Chubby Chef. And then, sabi namin, it will be better to have it Chubby Chef kasi attractive, mas yung name. So, everybody who heard the name Chubby Chef, ay, ang cute naman ng name nyo, sabi nila. So, doon na nag-stick yung Chubby Chef.
And I understand this is a family business, tama ba, Art?
It's a family business with my sisters tsaka ako. Sila ang nag-umpisa. Sila yung brains behind the business. Ako, supply.
Ayan.
Yung capitalist.
Yung mga capitalist, mga kaibigan natin sa Saudi. Kailangan nyo pong capitalist.
Hindi po kami nagluluto. Ayun. Po kami marunong magluto.
Yeah.
Yung mga ideas din kasi nagagaling sa lahat, yung mga menu. Katulad yung spaghetti. Siya actually sa kanya nang galing yan eh.
Spaghetti, tapos yung burger, hati kami sa ng idea ng burger, kung paano gagawin sa burger. So, mostly the pastas kanya. Tsaka itong chicken sa kanya. Siya ang nag-formulate niyan.
Actually, it also comes as a surprise for me kasi nung high school pa tayo, I didn't realize na meron pala sa inyong mahilig magluto. Paano yun? Kailan ba nagsimula itong love for cooking?
Si Kuya Sok.
Started sa mother ko, mahilig magluto. And then, dahil sa marami kami magkakapatid, so the eldest, si Kuya Sok, siya yung nag-umpisa mag-cook. Tapos si Kuya Nap. Tapos yung mga babae, ako lately lang ako. Sa mga 2000, umpisa ako magluto. Pero yung mga gantong klase ng food, when I started going to Saudi, doon ako nagkaroon ng endeavor ng magluto mag-formulate na kung ano, dahil mas cheaper ang doon na yung ingredients. Saka mas marami kang makikita na pwedeng iluto.
Na-mention nila yung mga names na Kuya Sok, si Nap, si Kuya Nap. For the benefit of our viewers, si Sok, may you rest in peace. Si Sok is also a brother, eldest na Socrates Maris then. He loved astronomical photography. Yan, sa kanya ko na, yeah, and a dentist also. Si Nap naman is currently in Vietnam with an airline company, and kami
Aircraft mechanic.
yes, an aircraft mechanic, and right now we are served with specialties ng of the house. Could you share with us, Esa, what do we have?
Po yung mga best sellers namin, yung mga binabalik-balikan. We also serve Korean, pero selective lang po, yung noodles and the bibimbap, kung ano yung mga popular sa Korea. Ito po yun, Korean ramen. Ako rin po nag-formulate yung pinaka-sauce, yung sabaw niya. Ako po ang nag-ano. Tapos, ito naman po yung chubby burger, which is a stuffed burger with bacon and cheese inside. Tapos, and cheddar cheese on top. So, ito naman po, seafood marinara. And then, the chubby spaghetti. Yan, yung mga ano namin. And then, this is the buffalo wings. Itong buffalo wings na to, yung hottest namin, the New York style hottest. Ako po mismo ang gumagawa nung pinaka-sauce niya. Ako na po yung hot sauce. Homemade hot sauce po yan. And then the tomato parmesan. Yes.
So I'd like to ask Art in detail yung kanyang spaghetti. Wala dito ngayon, ano? Nandito ba? Ayan. I-mention kanina na Art is the one who formulated this. So, ano ba yung consideration mo nung pina-formulate mo itong flavors na ito?
Kasi sa flavors sa spaghetti, hindi kami mahilig sa matamis na spaghetti. It's more of Italian style na maasim-asim. At ang gravy, ang sauce niya is thick. Hindi yung malalabnaw na nagtutubig. Kaya ginawa ko, I tried na mag-combine ng mga ingredients. Yan ang kinalabasan. And I shared it with my sisters para incorporate nila sa business nila na naumpisahan before.
And si Cecil, may recipe ka ba dito?
Taste lang ako.
Okay. And when you say taga-taste, meaning siyempre mayroon yung touch of approval, di ba? No? So what is your basis for saying okay ito for Shabby Chef?
Nagluluto din kasi ako, but more on the Filipino side of Filipino cuisine. So, lahat na naluluto nila, iti-taste namin. Kami din kami din na family ang nagte-taste. Titingnan namin kung lahat ba sa amin, approve ba, tama ba yung lasa, okay ba sa yung mga ingredients. So, yung sa financial side, sa isang sister ko, mahal masyado, yung mga ganon. Sa akin, yung more on the taste, tsaka, isa sa sister ko, yung sa kanya yung financial side, plus yung sa consumers. Kung ano yung mas preferred ng mga consumers. Tapos yung sa akin, more on the business side kasi. So, tinitingnan ko ano yung mas papasa na lasa for everybody, yung food quality, yung ano niya. Yun yung aking the business side kasi sa akin.
Talagang combination ng mga talents. And siguro now I'll focus with Esa. When you formulate a recipe, anong mga consideration mo?
Siyempre yung yung pinakasimpleng lasa pero dun mo masarap siya. Kahit simple lang yung mga nilalagay mong ingredients, masarap pa rin.
By the way, for the benefits of our viewers, ang cameraman natin ngayon is Larry Mariano. Larry is Marist 80. Marist 80. Saan tayo ngayon? Please share. Nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Currently, now nandito kami sa second floor ng the Kiros Building, corner of Panorama and General San Diego Street, SSS Village, Marikina. Dito kami sa second floor. Before yung San Diego Street is Sunset Street. Ngayon, General San Diego na siya. And on the second floor, makikita nyo from panorama side of the building.
And And ano ang naging consideration sa business side? Bakit ito yung place na napili?
Malapit sa bahay namin. We don't need to commute. No, so mas malapit sa bahay, kasi mas hands-on kami niya. So we need to make sure na we can go to the restaurant easily. Tapos kasi hawak din namin yung oras namin. So madali para sa amin.
Tsaka po nagiging trend na rito sa Marikina yung food business. Lately dito sa Lilac, napupuno na siya ng mga restaurant. So we decide na i-extend hanggang Panorama para at least here naman magkaroon din. Not only in Lilac side.
Yeah, siguro, special mention ko na rin yung Barney's Burger na Maritian din ng may-ari. Si Hill Flores na Lilac na mention kasi yung Lilac. So, I'm glad na somehow dito sa area na to marami na ring Marist restaurateurs na siguro isang gusto ko rin ma-discuss natin before we taste yung yung ating Marist background. Special mention ni Larry, sabi kailangan tanungin ko to kaya which I usually ask din sa mga vlogs kasi Marist Alumni Business Exchange, for whom this vlog is for actually, would like to ask also, gaano kahalaga ang Marist education for you, Art?
Well, sa akin, Marist education is the basis na kung ano ko ngayon. Sa lahat ng schools na pinanggalingan na makakilala ko, the best sa English, Marist pa rin. The basis ng yung mga education natin, magaling yung tinuturo sa Marist. And then, as brothers ang naghahawak sa atin, hindi ganun ka-strict, pero imposed yung yung pagiging religious, yung pagiging mabait natin, mabait. Pero maganda yung background, pinanggalingan, yung inimpost ng Marist.
In terms of being an entrepreneur and a musician, how do you connect the two?
Well, maganda yung market sa Marist Lots of friends. Ang maganda sa Marist kasi, not all, hindi katulad sa ibang schools na hindi magkakakilala kung anong batch ka. Sa Marist, they see to it na all batches meet. So, maganda yung rapport, maganda yung communication. So, naibabahagi mo yung kung anong meron ka. May papasa mo sa ibang batches na makakatulong sa'yo. Kung meron kang business, kung meron kang kailangan gawin. Marist, yan ang tatakbo.
Since sister natin yung Saints ko, tanongin ko na rin yung Saints ko. Cecil, a few words about values ng Saints ko na you have taken to heart.
Well, pagdating sa values, definitely yung ora et labora, pray and work. That works for all of us actually. Dito yung talagang kailangan prayer, especially when you're starting a business, prayer is very, very important. So, yun yung pinaka-value, I think that is learned na hanggang ngayon talagang hindi mo malilimutan. Diba?
And how do you connect ora et labora sa work mo ngayon with your Chubby Chef?
Well, I think it is because everything that we do here, we always start with prayers. We thank the Lord for everything that we have. Tapos, and definitely, talagang siya yung kasama namin na sa business, si Lord, yung prayer talagang pinaka-importante sa amin. Talagang the Lord is always there to guide us and protect us. Lalo na sa family namin, we've been through a lot. So, talagang yung value of prayer, sabi nga ng kuya, which is what he's learned also in marriage, yung values din yung religious values, which is also very important na I've learned sa Saints ko.
Siguro by way of this interview, this video blog, let me offer this also as a prayer for God, to God, na maging successful yung business ninyo. May Chubby Chef prosper and live long. May Art, Cecil, and Esa, Nap, Sok, and Roy also, and Chris, yes. Tama, laki ng family. God has blessed them with so much people to love and a lot of people who can love and who can cook, by the way. Busy na si Esa. May order. So, invite our friends sa ating
Yes, please come here at the Chubby Chef Cafe. We're located second floor, the Curious Building, Panorama Street, corner, General San Diego. We're open every day, except Monday, from Tuesdays to Sunday, from 1 o'clock until 10 o'clock in the evening.
May delivery ba sa Saudi Arabia to?
By courier. Kaya lang, 2 months bago dumating.
Invite our friends and even the general public.
We invite everybody to come and eat here, enjoy the food. What I can say, it's the best food. It's worth what you're going to pay. It's not that cheap, but it's not that expensive. Okay lang ang price with good food.
Ayan. So, with Esa, Cecil, and Art, Sok, Roy, Nap, Chris, this is Rom Kumagun inviting everyone also to taste what my friends are preparing for you, and invite your friends too. I'm sure you will not regret it. Have a nice day, everyone. This is Rom Kumagon with Art, with Cecil, with Esa de la Cruz. Chubby Chef.